back to my channel. Isn't it beautiful? They said that it's basically authentic Mexican ice cream or Mayan ice cream, something like that. I was going to try it. Girls here in Mexico. Ice cream. Let's try. Hey beautiful people, thank you for watching another vlog. So today we're going Chichen Itza and we're having an ice cream date. So we're having a beautiful time in Mexico. I hope you enjoy the vlog. Thank you so much for watching. I love you. Keep on watching, girl. Keep on watching, boys. Bye. Girls here in Mexico. We're trying to find some ice cream. They said that it's basically authentic Mexican ice cream or Mayan ice cream, something like that. I was going to try it. I was in Mexico. Just videoing. I think she pointed right across the road. We were coming around the corner. Oh. You just went across the road. I didn't even see it. Okay. We're looking. See? Cross, sun green. So this is the name of the ice cream shop.
¿De Oreo y qué otro? De piña con coco. Sí. ¿Algo más?
Peso.
¿Paso con los?
Let's try.
Unos 40 minutitos a Chichen Itza, muchachos. Pueden darse besito, hacer una siesta o fiesta.
Okay, so we're on our way to Chichen. Chichen is that, I think. So we have made it to one of the wonders of the world. I am slowly trying to tick off all the wonders of the world in my travel videos, but this is one of them, and this is Chichen. I believe that's how they pronounce it. So we got here, so we left from the old Mayan town to get some ice cream, or authentic Mayan ice cream, and then we got to the destination, and of course there were a lot of people because it was a tour group and you had many tour groups going to this location. So we got there, we followed our tour guide, and then we were designated a specific tour guide on the property. You get your ticket once you go through the Viator app and you sign up with them. Then it kind of lessen all of the excess procedure and stuff. It's one of the 7 wonders of the world, and I'm like, maybe I'm getting obsessed with it. It's one of the 7 wonders of the world. It's one of the 7 wonders of the world. The new 7 wonders of the world. Yeah. So we're trying to see that. Like that. So when we went up, we got our tickets and we went inside. But you could, they gave us the opportunity to use the bathroom if we needed to use the bathroom, get some drinks if we needed to, and then we went inside for the tour. You want to get drinks, you can get drinks. You want to get snacks, you can get snacks. Alright, so Chichen, I think the name Chichen, Itza is one of the 7 wonders of the world. And we're going to see today. Oh my god, it's dark. And we're going to see today. We have a guided tour, which is pretty cool. And yeah, I'm gonna leave my charge on another bus. I'm about to do a 6% now. So let's go. I am really just a girl. Listen, we were waiting on the tour to begin, and I was just feeling myself. And people were walking by and just wondering, like, what are you doing? Why are you being weird? And I'm like, why are you being weird? But anyways, I felt really cute. I was about to see a great landmark. And this is our tour guide. He was checking if we all got our tickets. From the lady on the bus, she gave us our tickets, and then we were good to go. And this is a process of getting on the inside. They had multiple checkpoints, strangely. I don't know. They were trying to prevent people from bringing in anything, or I don't know. There were a lot of checkpoints though to get on the inside. They check your ticket, they check your bag, and so on. I guess it because it is a World Heritage site, so extra checks. Thank you. Thank you. Walking with the blue. They have cool t-shirts. Look at how beautiful it is. Can you believe? Years upon years upon years of history just standing right there. So that is the pyramid, and then the group, the tour guide was telling us about the history and everything, and people were just standing taking photos. I will say the tour guide, it was a lot of information, like a lot of knowledge, a lot of information. And for me, I like the information, but I like a balance where I get to go off and take my pictures and whatever. And as a black girl, we need our lighting. And because the tour guide went on and on for so long, the lighting was going away and I was missing the good lighting to take my good shots. So that's one thing I would say, the downside about a tour guide, is that they give us a lot of information and not enough time to take photos while the lighting is still good and going and glowing. So that was a downside for me. And then because when he was talking, sometimes I was like, no, pay attention, don't take any photos yet. So that was a bit annoying. But yeah, that's trivial. That's trivial. The knowledge is important, right? Right, exactly. But look at it, it's just beautiful. So as you can see, it's behind me. Isn't it beautiful? How is it? It's clear, right? Tap it. We're at, well, I don't think my phone is focused, but we're somewhere cool. Tap in. Real cool. It's beautiful. It's absolutely beautiful here. The sun is hot. The sun is very hot. People are asking to take my picture. It's crazy. Before I jump into what the tour guide was saying, what I was saying before is that some Germans just wanted to take photos with me. Like, they were like, I want to take your photos, some German men. And yeah. Black and beautiful in these streets.
Depends the way to die. You go in one of those dimensions of the dark side. But of course, those people die in sacrifices. Only spend 3 days to back alive again. So this is the most fast adventure. So that's the reason why it's supposed to be in a Mayan time. Privilege, die sacrifice. But of course, we have a lot of histories. The most beautiful histories of the Mayan people was writing hieroglyphics. That was happening.
I'm trying so hard. I'm trying so hard to get a video or a picture with this thing. And it's so difficult. It's so difficult. But look at it, it's so beautiful. Do I have a picture of it? Probably I won't. But is it beautiful? Yeah. Look, it's gorgeous. All right, let's go and join the group. I just want a solo picture by myself. But the sun is gone from the specific angle. All right, let's go. These are way cheaper down here than at the first place that we stopped at. Alright, so I guess he's taking us to the back of the buildings. It's getting dark though. Buildings are real dark. Oh, this is where the game was played.
West, and the other team on the other side is the one of East. The ball is their faster ball, and started playing up the floor.
Oh,
So
oh,
you
kabata.
have to slide your body.
I think it's kabata.
Kick the ball. So the ball go that way, and the other team wait the ball, and
Say what we're supposed to say.
that's nice. That's nice. You have a nice. Ready? Pay attention later when we say ha.
I didn't hear anything. One more time. One more time. I thought it was something else, like a bird or something. Yeah, because before we clap and the bird made a sound. Yes, no, ha is just ha. So this is where they this is where they usually play a very popular game back in the days when they had the Spaniards and the British and those people. This is the what? Playfield? Playground?
More special. And inside the stadium, because the sound bounce is supposed to be 7 times.
Oh.
Same number of those 4 players by team. That's to let you understand actually that this is not just a religion. This is believe in reincarnation. Cycle. And of course, it's supposed to be when those people die in sacrifice go in another dimension.
So what he's saying, in Mayan culture, you're buried for 5 years after you die, and then you are then taken out and the bones are placed on the house. So basically you're going to reincarnate into the house when a new birth happens. That's kind of cool, right? You're buried for 5 years, then they pull out your bones, bury you under a house. If a new baby is born, you're reincarnated. They probably come back in the baby form, or they probably just watch over the house. Who to tell? Who to tell? Say that today is basically like a history buff. This session is like a history buff session.
So the circle symbolizes actually are snakes, and the snake is a symbol of life, symbol of fresh water, and symbol of human blood. And also you can see one of those is forming one branch with fruits and flowers. So that means that's the blood of the God who created the life. But of course, friends, inside of the human blood we have the God. And you have to be there like 4:30, 4:35. You have to be at the bus. Okay? The bus is going to be open. So 5 minutes, 10 minutes.
It's a cool snake. Why do I look so dry? There's a place trying to do a cool video. They have a snack bar where you can get water and juice and stuff like that here. And just like that, we were back on the bus and heading home. I will say the tourist site especially, we got a lot of hours there. We got like 3 hours or something, like, or 4 hours probably there. But it's for the history buffs. Like, if you like history, I will say this, Cancun is really, like, it keeps on, it's the city that never sleeps, because like things are going on throughout the night, and it's going on from early. Because after we came back from Chichen, I still don't get the word. After we came back from the landmark, those beautiful pyramids, we went to the town area. I wanted nachos really bad, so we went to Hard Rock. We just wanted some chill, light, delicious, good, and we went to Hard Rock. Now, clubs were opened, everything was up and running, people were out ready to have a good time. But girl, boys, men, ladies, listen, I'm getting too old for that. So we went to Hooters, and we had some really delicious nachos, good drinks, conversation, and I enjoyed myself. Here's the food. I had some wings as well. Yeah, it was pretty good. Thank you so very much for watching another Vlogtober. I know I missed a day, but I hope you enjoy. Come back tomorrow. Bye.